Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to replace wheel speed sensor Chrysler 300 easy method. Locate the faulty sensor behind the wheel hub before lifting the vehicle. Start by lifting the car and removing the wheel. Disconnect the electrical connector and remove the mounting bolt. Compare the old and new sensor to confirm a proper match. Install the new sensor, torque the bolt, reconnect the connector, and remount the wheel. Test drive to clear the warning. Gather the right tools before you begin to save time and stay safe. You will need a jack stands, a 10 mm or 13 mm socket, ratchet, and a flat screwdriver. Have the replacement sensor and dielectric grease ready. Park on level ground and chalk the opposite wheel. Disconnect the battery for extra safety. Wear gloves and eye protection while working near the brake and suspension components. Follow torque specs for the mounting bolt. In friendly steps, I will walk you through removal and installation so you stay confident and avoid common mistakes. Loosen lug nuts, lift car, and remove the wheel. Unplug the electrical connector, remove the mounting bolt, and pull the sensor from the hub. Clean the mounting hole and apply dielectric grease to the new sensor tip. Install the new sensor, tighten bolt to spec, reconnect, and remount the wheel. Lower the car and test drive to confirm proper reading.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.